ultimate comfort food? This mac and cheese recipe is creamy, cheesy, and so easy to make. Perfect for home cooks and food bloggers alike. With elbow macaroni or your favorite pasta. Boil it in salted water until al dente, then drain, and set aside. We make the luscious cheese sauce. Start by melting butter, whisking in flour to make a roux, and slowly adding milk for that creamy base. Star ingredient cheese. Add sharp cheddar and mozzarella for the ultimate blend of flavors and gooiness. Pasta into the cheese sauce, ensuring every bite is coated in that creamy goodness. For an extra touch, top with breadcrumbs and bake until golden and bubbly. Trust me, it's worth it. And there you have it, the creamiest, dreamiest mac and cheese. Like, share and subscribe for more comfort food recipes.